Students, today we are going to start with our lesson 8, Agriculture and Industry. Agriculture and Industries. In this lesson we are going to learn about types of crops and types of industries. Agriculture and industry are important means of earning a living. Agriculture is the process of growing crops, fruits and vegetables, means it is mainly about producing food. Two-thirds of Indian populations are involved in agriculture, whereas industry is about making different things for our use. Now students, what is agriculture? Agriculture is cultivation of land. Agriculture means farming. It includes growing crops and keeping animals for things like milk, meat, eggs, and wool. India has fertile soil and a good supply of water. This helps us to grow many different crops like wheat, rice, etc. And why is agriculture important? Agriculture is important because it provides us with the reliable sources of food, clothing, and shelter. Secondly, it is the main source of income for the people living in the villages. And thirdly, it provides raw material for industries. Now, students, types of crops. In India, two types of crops are grown, that is, food crop and cash crop. Food crops. Food crops are grown to meet the food requirement of the people. Rice, wheat, millet, and maize are the main crops grown in India. Rice. Rice is eaten all over the country, especially in the east and south. Rice grown in the regions where the climate is hotter with lot of rainfall. These regions are Andhra Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Tamil Nadu. Wheat. It grows well in cold and dry climate, and the regions where it is cultivated are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Wheat is the most important food crop in northern and western India. Students, now let us study about cash crops. The crops which by selling in the market give cash to the farmer is called cash crops. Examples of cash crops are sugarcane, jute, cotton, oilseeds, tea, coffee and rubber. The sugarcane is useful for making sugar and jaggery. It is grown mainly in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Bihar. This crop grows well in alluvial and black soil. India is one of the top producers of sugarcane in the world. Now let us talk about next cash crop, that is cotton. India is one of the top producers of cotton. Cotton is grown in warm areas that are not too dry. So talking about cotton, the important use of cotton is to make our clothes. It grows well in the black soil of the Deccan Plateau. The main cotton producing states are Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and Punjab. Next cash crop is tea, which is grown in the hills of northeastern and southern India in large farms called tea gardens. Hot, humid and wet climate is required to grow the tea. It is basically grown in Assam, West Bengal and Nilgiri hills in the south. These states have many tea gardens. So students, today you read this agriculture and tomorrow we'll start with industries.